Have you ever wondered what happens when a product you trusted suddenly fails and causes harm, and who is responsible for that injury? Understanding how the law approaches these situations can offer a lot of clarity and reassurance. Yes, in most cases, defective products are indeed strict liability cases. This means that if a product is found to be defective and causes injury, the manufacturer, distributor, or seller can be held responsible, even if they did not act negligently or intentionally try to cause harm. The core focus shifts from proving fault to proving the product itself was flawed and led to an injury. The reason behind strict liability for defective products is rooted in consumer protection and public policy. It encourages companies to produce safer goods by holding them accountable for any dangers inherent in their products. This legal principle ensures that consumers do not have to undertake the difficult task of proving exactly how a defect occurred in the manufacturing or design process. Instead, the injured party primarily needs to show that the product was defective, the defect made the product unreasonably dangerous, and this defect directly caused their injury. Defects can generally fall into three categories: a manufacturing defect, a design defect, or a failure to warn about potential dangers. For you, this means that if you are injured by a product you believe is defective, your path to seeking compensation may be less about proving a company's carelessness and more about demonstrating the product's flaw and your resulting harm. If an injury occurs, it is important to preserve the product exactly as it was at the time of the incident, document your injuries thoroughly, and seek medical attention. Collecting any receipts or packaging can also be very helpful, as these establish where and when you acquired the product. This concept of strict liability evolved over time to bypass an older legal hurdle known as privity of contract, which once required a direct contractual relationship between the injured person and the product's seller or manufacturer. Now, because of strict liability, an injured consumer can directly pursue a claim against the manufacturer, even if they bought the product from a third-party retailer. This broader reach helps ensure that accountability extends throughout the entire chain of distribution. Ultimately, strict liability provides a powerful safety net for consumers, simplifying the legal process for those injured by dangerous products. It underscores the vital principle that product safety is paramount and that companies bear a significant responsibility to ensure the items they put into circulation are safe for their intended use. If you find yourself in such a situation, understanding this principle is the first step toward protecting your rights and seeking justice.